Somebody left the mixer going.
I need to turn it off. I want a spoon. That's a spoon. Got some stuff. Some bit. Oh, I need a piece of food.
What are you guys making?
Toast. Oh.
What are y'all making?
I'm making this.
What is that?
I'm making this.
How do you make
Blueberry
that?
pie.
Ooh, how do you make?
I'm
Cheese and
making meat.
Can you tell me how to make a blueberry pie? I'd like to make one sometime.
I'm making meat too.
Okay, well tell me about that blueberry pie.
Blueberry pie.
How do you make it?
And put it in the cheese.
Cheese.
Toast this. I sprinkle. I'm making cheese and crackers and meat and bread. And I'm making apple. And Papa. I'm making apple.
For Bonnie.
I'm making apple for Bonnie.
Who's gonna make something for Uncle Jerry?
Me.
What are you gonna make him?
Blueberry pie for him.
And what about Auntie and Uncle Brad? What are you gonna make him?
A meat for Brad and the meat toast would take it one more thing. I'm gonna make this for Auntie.
What is it?
I think it's tomato.
Tomatoes?
Yeah, I think.
Roxy, I don't think she likes tomatoes. Could you make her something else?
I like tomatoes.
I do too. I do too.
I do too. But I want to go get this.
And Ruby, can you make something for Grandma and Grandpa?
I have lettuce. I could eat this lettuce. And you could eat this lettuce. Yeah. No, you could eat this.
What is that?
You could eat this. You could eat this.
It looks delicious. Are they
Looks
strawberries?
good. Yeah. Pathetic grandma.
Mm-hmm.
There's cherries and strawberry. There's cherries and strawberry on it. You could eat you could eat this part.
Mm-hmm.
You could eat that. And Bonnie could eat this. Bonnie could eat
Is that a
lemon.
cherry?
No, that's a lemon.
Or lemon.
Eat cheese. And Grandpa could eat pie. This is hamburger. Somebody could eat cheese and pie. Yeah. But there's something to drink. This. Well, that's. Peanut butter. And this one's for you.
Oh, thank you, Roxy. What is it?
Hot. It's hot.
It's hot? Oh, it is hot.
Mhm.
Is
This
it?
one's for me.
Is it hot water?
Yeah.
Or is it
Hot juice.
hot juice?
And this is hot juice for me.
Is it nutritious?
Yeah, it has to cool off.
Okay, I'll let it cool off.
This needs to cool off too. But these need to cool off. These need to cool off. I got some coffee. I need some more coffee.
You girls aren't drinking coffee.
I need just your coffee.
Oh, I need milk in mine. Please.
I could get milk. I could get milk in the car.
With a little bit of sugar.
Okay.
Whipped cream.
That's whipped cream, and this is diet. This is milk, and this is whipped cream. This one's small. This one's mom's. And these are mine. These are mom's. This is for mine. And this one's Ruby's. Now, hot time. Diet. And milk and diet.
Do you work at Starbucks?
That one's yours.
Thank you. How much do I owe you? Do I have to pay for it?
I have to pay. I have to pay for them.
You're gonna buy me coffee?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet child.
I'm gonna buy some coffee. For me too. I put Starbucks. I have to put some Starbucks in it. I have to put some Starbucks in it.
Now, can I get a cup of whipped cream with my Starbucks?
I did put whipped cream with the Starbucks. I got some Starbucks. Yeah. Starbucks. Bonnie likes carrots.
Yes, I do too.
I do too. Tornado Lesson likes.
Yeah, it's over on the eastern side of the state. It's not close to us.
Tornado Lesson.
Yep.
But there's a tornado in Essence well.
Well, it's on the wall though, not a real one.
It's in his room.
Thank you for my coffees.
You have some more coffee? Help.